Welcome to the ultimate guide to baking irresistibly perfect chocolate chip cookies. Today, we will walk you through the steps to create mouth-watering cookies that will leave everyone craving for more. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and of course, 2 cups of chocolate chips. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large bowl, cream together the butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Next, add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the chocolate chips. Gently fold in the chocolate chips, making sure they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Using a cookie scoop or your hands, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, spacing them about 2 inches apart to allow for spreading. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Don't worry if they look a little undercooked in the center, as they will continue to cook as they cool. Once out of the oven, allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, irresistibly perfect chocolate chip cookies. So go ahead, indulge in the sweet, chocolatey goodness of these homemade delights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.